Hey guys, behind me is Guys Pig and Anchor, but not the Smokehouse Brewhouse, aboard the Carnival Celebration. And it's one of the harder to find venues aboard the Carnival Celebration, so I thought I would help by showing you how to get there from one of two main points on this ship. One being Grand Central and the other being the Lido deck. So this one is on deck 8. So we will start at Grand Central near Bonsai Sushi and Bonsai Teppanyaki and make our way, passing several venues along the way like Pixels, Cucina Del Capitano, Bar 820, Miami Slice, guest services, and more. So let's go. And that's how you get to Guys Pig and Anchor aboard the Carnival Celebration, Mardi Gras, and also probably the Jubilee. Hope you enjoyed the video.